microwave description. A microwave oven is a place used to cook and eat food that work with generate electromagnetic waves. With microwave oven you can 1. Prepare your food faster and easy. Microwave oven have pre-programmed menus so that you can cook your food automatically. Soup and workout, snack, dessert, stem, and more complete dishes, depending on the oven model. 2. Select the cooking power. Microwave ovens have certain power levels. This is ideal to avoid dehydrating your food. Since you can regulate it hot like you do with the flame on the stove. For example, the more liquid in your food, the greater the power, and the less liquid, the lower the power. 3. The fourth food. Some microwave molded have food defaulting function, either automatically or expressly. Foods that you can default are red meat, protein, fish, and bread. Microwave fusion. The 5 power 11 speed hot the cooking process will the hot air ensure perfect cooking of the food. The combination of heat and hot air at the same time guarantees magnificent results when cooking large pieces of meat. The microwave function adds to the grill speed hot the cooking of a small piece of meat, pizza, etc.
Buy microwave and popcorn. This popcorn comes pre-programmed, is based with and seasoning and flour. How you have to do is place turn back into microwave and turn it on. They might be labeled and start popcorn, but they come pre-programmed done with a container with loose popcorn kernel. Place the bag is the microwave with the facing up. Typically, you will sheet the place this sheet up one sheet of the back of the which like the back black on each sheet with the two paper and facing up. Otherwise, like the back flat on each side with the two paper and facing up. Set the microwave to cook and heat at for 3 minutes. However, do not leave the microwave unset as the popcorn might be ready before the mentioned time. After 15 to 20 seconds, you will hear the popcorn kernel begin to pop. Finish cooking the popcorn is the microwave when you hear heat pop every 2 seconds. Every microwave oven is different as different power setting. Let the popcorn cool for a minute before opening the pan. The battery before of strong she open it careful after letting them cool in the microwave.